guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are returning, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today we are in my laundry room area and we're going to be doing a little switching it up in here. So there's been some things that I've been wanting to do in here for a while, but I am just now getting around to it, and I need to mark it off my list as well as do some other things that I'm going to get into. That's why this month I'm bringing you guys my May marathon, where I'm going to be doing all the things that I've been wanting to do. I just have not made time to get around to it. I'm going to do it now. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. The first thing I need to do is get some laundry out of the way since I'm going to be in the laundry room. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pile of laundry of my kids in the washing machine as much as I can. And then we're going to go ahead and do some things in here that I've been wanting to do. Also guys, we are so close to 800 subscribers on the channel, so that means once we get to 800, you guys know I love to do a milestone giveaway. So if you are new here, definitely tell a friend to tell a friend if you're loving the channel to join this channel. Tune in. Again, this is a May marathon, so I'm going to be giving you guys as many videos as I can this May to go ahead and push out, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this marathon. And let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this stand here. It's been in my laundry room since I first moved in this place, and it was much taller. For those of you who were watching my videos back when I first moved in, you guys know that I put this in here and it was really taller than this. It has broken down. It was not that expensive to get, so I didn't expect it to last like forever, but it did get the job done just in that moment. But now I'm going to take it out because it's pretty much in pieces. It's hanging on by a strand. It's hanging on. It's definitely broken down, as you guys can see. This part has fallen apart, and I could make it useful and, you know, try to do something with it, but I just am gonna throw it away. I just feel like it's done for.
Shout out to the girls who show love without envy. This one's for you. Here's to the girls who lift girls up, who clap when you win, who stay when it's tough. Girls who remind you.
Okay guys, so I actually decided to keep it because this bottom part was still in really good shape, and I thought I wanted to throw it away, but I feel like I can still make it useful since it wasn't as bad as I thought at the bottom. So this is where I placed it, and I'm just going to use it for shoe storage since it's right by the door. And next guys, I decided to bring this table in just to add a little decor in here. I've always wanted to have a little table in here by the window, so I'm adding this one in. And then I also have this little forever plant that I'm going to put on top of it. This is what it looks like here. I'm just bringing this out of my bedroom and storing it into my laundry room. It never had an actual place, but this is how it looks, and I think that is just so cute right there. And I definitely am thinking about getting curtains. I don't have any that I have at home right now, but I'm gonna get some just to set the vibe. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and put my laundry rug back down. It does need to be washed, but I'm gonna wait till I finish washing clothes and I'll throw it in there. But for now, I'm just gonna get it down back on the floor, and then we're gonna go ahead and reset these cabinets as well. And I don't have a lot of stuff that I keep in these cabinets, mainly just like restock on tissue and then a little bit of cleaning supplies. Most of my laundry stuff sits on top of the washing machine and dryer, so you guys will see that how I set that up in a second. But mainly I like to use this for just like extra back stock. And then that one cabinet you guys will see is pretty much nothing in there, but I'm planning on loading it up. I have to make my way to Costco just to get some more tissue and things, just to have a bunch of stuff on back stock so I won't have to keep running back and forth to the store. But yeah, that's what you guys see me doing here.
It shows in my eyes. This is how I hold my shoulders. stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need a proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy. I don't pour it out for free. I keep my senses. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. Can't breathe, no, I stay steady. I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to crown me. I know what's in me. That's a woman's glow. It's health and it's healing. That's a woman's glow. It's truth and it's meaning. That's a woman's glow. When I live it right, it's a light I don't chase. It's just in my own light. Can't breathe, Luna. Can't breathe, Luna. Can't breathe, Luna.
Alright guys, so this is how my laundry room reset turned out. I'm loving seeing everything back in its place, and I definitely am going to, like I said, wash the laundry room rug. I have another basket that needs to go in here after the clothes are out of it, and then I will just be adding things here and there, maybe another picture on the wall, like I said, curtains, and then maybe some flowering on the shelving, and then anything additional that needs to go in these cabinets. But I'm going to go ahead and close those up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, again, this is the reset, and stay tuned for the next video. Again, welcome to the May Marathon.